You ready na?
What?
You ready? I think that's not Tommy, eh? Because I know Tommy's light is different.
Good morning, Philippines!
What do you want? Why you crying? Huh? Yes, you're a crybaby. I know, Misty, you're not allowed here. You know why? You're rolling on the stairs. You drop your big body on the stairs na boom, boom, boom. Say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning, my baby. Where's Dim Dim? Dim Dim? Dim Dim? Dumating na siya. Marinig mo yung tapak niya. He's right here. Yee! Good morning, love.
Hey guys.
Hi guys! So ngayon guys, aalis na naman kami. Kukunin na namin yung sasakyan na nilagay namin doon kahapon. Kasi yun, ready na daw. Mga half an hour. Come on! Misty! Psst! Come on in! Ponce! I'll give you Ponce. In! Roxy, Misty, in! Ang tigas ng ulo ni Roxy guys. Tumingin lang doon. Nakaano lang siya. Tignan nyo nga. Ganyan yan siya guys pag tawagin. Oh. Madramatic talaga itong si Roxy talaga. Roxy, get in! Come on! In! Come on! Hurry up! Get in! Tigas ng ulo. Tigasin talaga. Mag-march siya pa. Good girl, Misty. You're a good girl. Okay na. I guess I need to get some coat just in case. Because ang ginaw-ginaw. Kailangan natin kay Tami man ito. Hold on, guys. Wala, asan yung coat ko? Ay, pag-ibig talagang buhay na itik. Ano to? Sa akin ito. Okay, everything is closed. Ito yung light na yun. And then yun, let's go take mo bahog tik-tik. We will be right back. Very quick. Yeah, very quick. It's not really quick. Hi guys, it is funny because si Tommy pumunta doon sa auto parts dito. May binili lang siya kasi para sa sasakyan. So ngayon, nakalimutan niya yung mask. Natawa ako kasi she borrow my mask and may lipstick pa yun. Nakalimutan kong labhan. May lipstick. Oh my God. Ano ko ba? Sabi ko, may makikita sa'yo na may lipstick yan. Sabihin nila na ano ka. Bading. Dito na si Mr. Litzy. Parang hindi niya ginamit yung mask ko. Let me see kung ginamit ba niya. Did you use the mask?
You what?
Did you use the mask?
No.
No?
A sign that says use the mask, but I didn't.
Okay, give it to me. Okay, what is that?
This?
Yeah.
That's because the headlights are so foggy and they can't get any light on them, so I don't buy that shit. It's supposed to make
Okay, and what is that?
This is the battery terminals.
Okay. Guys, so andito na si Tommy guys. Anuhin lang niya yung sasakyan, kukunin. And then, pagkatapos niyan kukunin, susunod na lang ako sa kanya. Hopefully, tapos na. Kasi sabi nila matapos na daw. So, hopefully, and then, let's see kung okay na. Diba? Hi guys, andito na ako sa bahay ni Bianan. Naghintay lang ako doon sa kung saan ni Tommy dinala yung sasakyan. Kasi, baka may sira. Alam nyo na, baka yung nangyari sa sasakyan. Baka hindi natapos. So, yun. And then, natapos naman. So, sumunod siya sa akin. Pero, tinawagan niya ako. Mag-stop daw siya ng gas. Wala na palang gas yung sasakyan. Kailangan doon niyang mag-gas. At saka, i-carwash. Ika-carwash doon yung sasakyan. Tignan natin kung malinis ba. Guys, pagdating ko dito, guys, yung mga ibon nila, kumakanta. I think, pupunta kami din sa I think, magpunta ako sa ShopRite. Kasi, bibili ng bird food. Kasi guys, pagdating talaga ko guys, sabi ko, bakit ang daming ibon kumakanta? Ang lahat ng ibon andun sa bushes pala. Kumakanta sila, kailangan ko silang bigyan ng guys, naghihintay pala sila guys. Nasana yung ibon, napakainin ni Tommy. So ngayon, kawawa sila guys. Kung wala na si Tommy dito, hindi na siya makapunta-punta dito sa bahay. Kasi ang daming ibon, oh. Look, andun talaga sila lahat. Nakalinya, doon din sa harapan na bushes. Anyway guys, so let's go guys. Punta na lang akong tindahan. Iwan ko si Tommy. So, tinitext ko na siya. Sabi ko, alis na ako kasi kailangan kong bilhan yung ibon ng bird food. Andun sila, oh. Ang dami, oh. Ganina. Kanina, ang ingay talaga nila. So, ngayon, alis tayo. And then, pagbalik, meron na silang pagkain. Yay! Tapos na yung sasakyan, guys. Tapos na. Nilinis na konti. Nalinis na konti, pero kailangan siya ng brushing. Kasi, look, matagal na mold. Ganun, i-brush lang yan. Ito yung sa loob niya, guys. Oh. Look, ito yung sa loob. Maganda siya, guys. Look, kunin ko tong coat ni Tammy, ha? Look, oh, maganda siya. Kaso, tignan nyo tong trunk. I mean, ito, mga nilagay ito ngayon ni Tammy. Pero tignan nyo yung trunk. Maraming kalagyan. And then, may Christmas tree from long time ago. Christmas tree. Yun, kailangan lang talaga siyang ilinisin. Look, ah. Madumi kasi. How many years old? Okay. He's gonna do the brake.
No, this thing, because it's loose, because it's cracked.
Okay.
And if it loses connection where you drive it, then your car just drops down.
Okay. Look at this. Okay, it's... Hi guys, sobrang ginaw guys. Grabe guys, sinuot ko na yung ano ni Bianan. Kasi sobrang ginaw. Hindi ko nga yun nilock yung sasakyan ko eh. You have to go, it's already 5:30. Maganda pala siyang sasakyan guys kapag malinis. Okay pa naman. Doon si Tammy. Ang tagal guys, ginoo ko. Oh my god, 7 o'clock na kami dito makauwi sa bahay. Han? You ready na?
What?
You ready?
Yeah,
You ready na?
yeah.
Kaloka. I-try niya yung light kung okay ba. Yeah, it works. Okay. I guess we're going. Paunahin ko lang siya. Hi guys! So ngayon guys, it's already 6:30. Andun si Tammy sa likuran ko. Nag-alala ako kasi hindi ko siya nakita ng malayo na siya ba? Hindi ko nakita. Sabi ko, tinatawagan ko. Hindi sumagot. I think si Tammy yung nasa likuran. Nag-alala ako kung ano nangyari. Kaloka. Doon siya sa likuran ko. So yun guys, late kaming nakauwi. Iwan ko na lang yung mga aso namin at pusa. I think that's not Tammy, eh? Because I know Tammy's light is different. It's kinda yellowy. Iwan ko talaga, nag-alala ako. Asan ko? I think nag-exit siya eh. Kararating lang namin. Yan na, nag-order na lang si Tammy ng pizza kasi wala nang time. Meron naman kaming leftover pero walang pabalik-balik na kasi parang nababuryo na itong isa. Kaya tawagan ako kanina, nagda-drive. Gusto niya ng hindi siya parating na dito. Ito yung pizza na binili niya.
Sausage, french fries, extra cheese.
Sausage and garlic. Gutom na guys. We don't eat lunch. So kaya we are hungry. Para makapagpahinga na rin ako. Look, it's wet in the bottom. Oh. So the car drives fine.
Does.
He's driving the car and he said there's the DVD. There's no connection. There's no Bluetooth whatsoever. So the thing is, it's a
No
CD.
phone.
Huh?
No phones.
No phone connection. It's a... Do you have a USB?
Nope.
No USB. How you charge your phone?
You don't.
Oh my god. Oh my guys. Oh my god. That was 2001, right? Anyway guys, kain lang kami. So, yung sasakyan na yun, walang walang USB connector, walang Bluetooth. So, he said he played a CD. There's still a CD in there from long time ago.
20 years ago.
20 years ago. Look at my baby.
I take a long trip, so I put CDs in there.
Yeah.
Apparently they're still in there. But usually the heat stuff would destroy
The heat and the cold.
Yeah, it would have destroyed the CDs, but none they played, they didn't warp, nothing, they played fine.
Really?
Yeah, I'm surprised myself. Well, at least the one CD I played was playing fine.
Hey guys, nakatulog ako guys. Late na guys. Aalis na naman kami ni Tammy. Anyway, iin ko na tong vlog. Napagod. Uy, nakatulog ako. Wala kasi akong tulog. Nakatulog, ganun. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, good night.